Welcome to Brave Quiz, your ultimate trivia zone. Today we're diving into the world of K-pop demon hunters. Can you guess the character just by their voice or song? We've got the hottest teams in the spotlight: Huntrix, Saja Boys, and Soda Pop. It's not just a quiz, it's a challenge of your ears and fandom. Are you ready? Let's go! Guess who's singing? Is Rumi.
Want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고 마셔봐도.
You got it. Is Jinu.
Want you, need you, yeah, I need you to fill me up. 마시고 마셔봐도.
Got it is Zoe. Guess who's singing?
I can think of every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop.
These are Saja Boys.
I can think of every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop.
Wanna flip the top, I'ma come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop.
This is Baby Saja.
Wanna flip the top, I'ma come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fizz and pop. Wanna
Guess who's singing? Yup, is Mira.
아야 이미 알고 있잖아.
Yep, is Reman.
아야 이미 알고 있잖아. 아야 이미 알고. Always gets underneath your skin. Listen, 'cause I'm.
Yup, is Junu Demon.
Always gets underneath your skin. Listen, 'cause I'm.
What do you think about the movie? Is it good or okay or trash?
your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary.
This is Abby Demon.
Your head. Anytime it hurts, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. Got me going viral. Yeah, 나지 않는 fever, making you a believer.
This is Baby Demon.
Got me going viral. Yeah, 나지 않는 fever, making you a believer.
No, not tonight. No, not tonight. No, not tonight. I'm the only one right now. I won't rock you more when it all burns down. More than power.
This is Mystery Demon.
I'm the only one right now. I won't love you more when it all burns down. For the power.
Broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty. Broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now we're seeing all the beauty.
This is Renju.
Big bite, one another bite, yeah. 너의 모든 걸 나 원해.
This is Abby.
Big bite, one another bite, yeah. 너의 모든 걸 나 원해. Big bite, one another bite, yeah.
Face make you cute and savage. Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us. Face make you cute and savage. Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Us.
That even I don't understand. I try to fix it.
This is Roomy Demon.
That even I don't understand. I try to fix it.
And I lose perspective. Yeah, hope only hurts. So what?
This is Jinyu.
And I lose perspective. Yeah, hope only hurts. So why? And
Thanks for playing with Brave Quiz. You did amazing. Whether you guessed them all or just a few, you're now officially a K-pop Demon Hunters expert, or close enough. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a challenge. We've got more awesome quizzes coming your way. More music, more mystery, and way more fun. Until next time, stay sharp, stay brave, and keep quizzing with Brave Quiz.